Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry that I haven't uploaded videos for the past month or half of December kasi naging busy last Christmas season. But today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I made last Christmas Eve. And it is the potato salad. Please watch the video until the end to see the secret ingredient of this recipe. Thank you! So let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to use marble potatoes, which is our main ingredient. Next is the chicken breast, boiled and shredded. Next is the carrots, cubed. Celery stalked, sliced. Mayonnaise. And condensed milk. Let's get started. In a large pot, let's mix in mayonnaise and condensed milk. Make sure to mix it well to prevent any lumps from our salad sauce. Once it's mixed, let's try to taste to see if there is something more we need to add. When our salad sauce is ready, we can now mix in the potatoes. And by the way, I sliced the potatoes in half. Then carefully mix it before we add our next ingredient. Remember guys, our main ingredient is potatoes. It can easily crush, so make sure that we mix it carefully. Next, let's add the carrots. Then the celery stalk. Reminder guys, let's mix in again carefully because we're not making mashed potatoes here. When our salad sauce is equally distributed, we can now put in the shredded chicken breast. And for the last time, let's again mix it well to incorporate all the ingredients. And now our salad is ready to be plated. And our potato salad is ready to be served. Just to put it in the ref before serving. And I know you're waiting for the secret ingredient of this recipe. And for the secret ingredient, our secret ingredient is mustard. I added mustard to our salad sauce for a more flavorful and distinct taste. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please feel free to write it down below. Thank you guys for watching.